Welcome to MarineMax Marine in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. My name is Wayne Bolin, and today we're going to be taking a look at this
beautiful 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX, also known as the SPX 230. This boat is tan in color. It has a tan bimini as well. Walking around to the back side of the boat here, you can see the sea deck in the walkthrough. We have the brown flooring. Here's a good look at the helm. This boat is equipped with a digital dash featuring Vessel View Link 9-inch screen. The captain's chair does have a flip-up bolster. Here's a good look at the battery switch, conveniently located in the walkthrough. To get to the engine compartment, just flip this little lever. Up pops the hatch, giving you a great view of this 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower Merc. Again, my name is Wayne Bolin. If this looks like a boat you would be interested in, give us a call here at MarineMax Marine in Lake Wylie, South Carolina, 803-831-2101. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.